Welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to change Monopoly Go profile picture. Well, actually, you don't have any buttons on app that can change your profile picture. So to change your profile picture, you need to change it first on your Facebook account. To do that, you need to connect your Facebook account to the Monopoly Go. So as you can see on your screen, you need to tap on Display with Friends and then tap on Confirm button. So once you do that and connect your Facebook on Monopoly Go, you can now have a chance to change your profile picture. So as you can see right here, my profile picture here, and that was my profile picture on my Facebook account. So that is the way on how you can change the profile picture. So you need to connect first your Facebook account and then change your profile picture on your Facebook, and it will automatically change it to on your Monopoly Go account. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.